forward. We're done a dusting of blue paint and a dusting of red paint. Now we're going to carve out the stars and the stripes. Over top of all that is a plastic carving film, so I can shoot the white paint on after the stripes and the stars are carved out. Just so it's clear, this is just a roughing pass in the 1/4 inch bit. It's going to come back on a finishing pass with a 3/64 bit to make the star points nice and sharp. The rough out on the stars is done. Now it's starting the white stripes. Now we're going to do a bit change. Going from the 1/4 inch roughing bit to a 1/16 inch finishing bit. Out goes the 1/4, in goes the 1/16. Now we have to use the Z probe once again, so that bit finds the exact surface of the material. Go through the process here of changing easel over to a detailed pass with a 1/16 finishing bit upcut. Move that back a little bit, I think. So with the Z probe, making sure there's nothing gonna be in the way from that Z probe. So it finds the exact surface. You don't want any chips under there or any of the curled up plastic. Probe until it touches that. It's already calibrated at 15 millimeters. I'm going to use my last 0. Raise it up to get the dust shoe on there, removing the Z probe. Spindle is on. Vacuum's on. Carve.